Hello and welcome to Unit 6 discussion. This particular week will be light for what I am going to talk about where the discussion is concerned. Because this particular week, the purpose of the discussion board is to discuss problems that you'll have with your final. So it would behoove you to utilize the discussion board as often as possible in order to kind of work through the problems if you're having issues with the final. Additionally, you want to do this early on because, once again, we've talked about this before, if you wait to the last minute in order to accomplish this task, things will kind of back up on you, I guess. And as a result, it'll be very difficult to get things, if you run into problems, being able to force your way through those problems, get help on those problems, things along those lines. But as you go through the week, utilize a discussion board extensively in order to get that guidance that you need. It could be from me, it could be from your peers, whatever the case may be, but kind of, we spent 2 weeks kind of laying some groundwork, and this week is specifically, let's get the final project done. And as you run into problems, make sure to put them on a discussion board. Also, there will not be a micro lesson this week because this is your week to shine and show me stuff. So I look forward to seeing your videos, seeing your programs, and kind of following along in the discussion. Thank you very much. Hope to hear from you soon.